Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this super cute mint eye makeup. Let's get right into it. I'm excited to show you guys how to get this eye look. I'm using the ColourPop Mint to Be palette. The first shade we're going to use is this one here. I'm going to be using a small smudger brush to really place that eyeshadow where I want it. This is where the cut crease is going to be. And I'm just using small motions. And you start to wing it out. So it should look something like that. Now we're going to blend that shade out with this shade. Now taking that second shade and putting it right on top. Just to blend the darker shade. And I'm going to be using the P. Louise base to cut my crease. And create the crease shape that you want. And I like using this base because when I go in with the lid shade, it literally just clings onto the base. We're going to put this shade here on the lid. Now going into the lighter shade and pressing that all on the lid. And I'm pressing it in, I'm not swiping. I was gonna add little rhinestones, but honestly, I liked how this looked all matte, so... Now I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and you guys already know Araceli Beauty, and I'm going to create a winged liner. Alright, so the liner is done. I'm going to clean it up because it's not as sharp as I want it to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and add mascara, and this is the Huda Beauty mascara. There's two different sides. There's volume and then the curl and lengthening. And I'm using the curl and lengthening side. Now the lashes I'm going to be using today, something different. These are Tati lashes in TL6. I love these lashes. They're so fluffy and wispy. How cute this freaking applicator matches my eye look. How cute are these? I'm going to go ahead and finish the face off camera. I will be back and finish the eye makeup with you guys. Alright, now time to finish off the eyes. I'm going in with this shade here. And I'm putting that right into my inner corners. So it's going to look like that. That green shade that we blended up here. And I'm going to put that right under my eye. And this does not have to be perfect because we're going to go in with the darker one too. Then we're taking a small brush and going in with the darkest shade that we put in the crease. And just put this closest to the lash line. And it should look like that. And last but not least, we're going to be using this ColourPop gel liner in Icebreaker. Literally, this whole eye look is like ColourPop. I love their stuff. Right, and I'm just going to put this right on my waterline. And this is the finished eye look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. That is all for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!